So speaking of which, freedom के साथ, what do you think? What is too much for you? For you, like कितना ज़्यादा? क्या? Where should the line be drawn? How much is too much for you?
Well, I believe in playing pranks and I believe in being funny. लेकिन जहाँ पे काम का वक्त
नहीं, मैं मीडिया में फ्रीडम की जो बात हो रही है, कितनी आजादी मीडिया को होनी चाहिए, मैं उसकी बात कर रही हूँ. How much is too much for you as an actor, as a producer, director?
Well,
कहाँ you should draw a line, or you think others should draw a line?
Well, I'm a great believer in good taste. लेकिन I also believe in sensuality. Sensuality, I think that's very, very important. There have been a few channels like Hum TV, Sultana Siddiqui, who have been very, very good and very open and have liked the work I've done and have taken chances. So there is a limit. एक सेंसर की लिमिट जरूर होनी चाहिए. लेकिन उसके साथ we must also be in reality. कि reality में क्या होता है?
Right.
क्या छुपाना है? कितना छुपाना है? We are watching.
So when you're directing,
yes.
So you would want कि वो एक natural चीज सामने आए, like moments between a married couple.
Yes.
मैंने आपके 2-3 देखे थे फेस, तो उसमें ये एक तो मैरिड कपल्स के इश्यूज पे बहुत बेस्ड होते हैं वो स्टोरीज.
जी बिल्कुल.
Is that close to your heart?
It is very close to my heart, and to be natural, not only to be natural but to be natural in Pakistan. यहाँ भी लोग रहते हैं, यहाँ भी लोग प्यार करते हैं. यहाँ भी चीजें होती हैं, यहाँ भी दुख होता है. It doesn't only happen in Hollywood. It happens here as well. People go out with people like people.
Right.
It happens here, and to be able to show that. ये नहीं है कि आप उसको bad taste में दिखाएं. But to be able to show that.
But again, where is that line drawn? मतलब आपके लिए कहाँ? Where would you draw a line कि बस मैं दिखाना तो चाहता हूँ, but this is it?
That will depend on the situation जहाँ मैं होऊंगा उस चीज के लिए.
अच्छा. You won't mind. You'd be courageous enough to take that one step further.
Yes,
you would be.
I will take that one step. उसके बाद फिर I look at the channel people. A few channel people have been also very courageous. जैसे कि हम तो ये करते नहीं, लेकिन चले ये बहुत natural लग रहा है, इसलिए सोहेल साहब हमने ये सीन रख लिया.
तो वो उससे नहीं घबराएंगे कि controversy कोई start हो सकती है. You won't be afraid of that.
I don't actually play for controversy. I play for something which is genuine. Some people do play for controversy. I don't.
अगर वो हाइप मिलती है, उनके नाम को हाइप मिलती है.
लेकिन there has to be something different.
Absolutely.
अगर मैं कुछ करूँ कोई और, there has to be something different in what you do. तो I think एक मार्क होना चाहिए.
True. There's another call for you. Hello.
Hello.
जी.
This is Jibran Durrani and I just have to talk to Sohail bhai.
Sure, go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, Sohail bhai, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I cannot hear you.
हाँ जी हाँ, अब आवाज आ रही है? Hello.
Sorry, I cannot hear you, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, how are you, Sohail bhai?
Very well, thank you.
Any question for him?
I'm from Karachi and I just have to ask you that where have you done your graduation from outside or from just Pakistan?
Thank you for calling, ji.
नहीं, this is from outside.
I mentioned that in the beginning. So, in your opinion, what makes an actor a good actor and what makes a director a good director?
Very, very difficult. ये तो वैसे बड़ी पर्सनल चीजें होती हैं जो आपके अंदर होती हैं.
पहले एक्टर की बात करते हैं.
एक्टर की बात, again, I would have to say you have to be passionate. अच्छा ना, when you're passionate about something, कि जी हम सब passionate हैं, उसके साथ you have to have the longevity, you have to be able to see it through. Some people are passionate to that extent, फिर बोर हो जाते हैं, हट जाते हैं. जो भी आप करते हैं, you have to actually suffer for it. It doesn't happen easily. आप जाएंगे, आपको चीज नहीं मिलेगी, आप फिर से करेंगे, वो नहीं होगा, आप फिर से करेंगे आप. और even the people who you have interviewed, some of them, it took them a long time to get there. लेकिन it was the passion that made them do it with a lot of लोगों ने उनको believe नहीं किया कि वो कर भी सकते हैं. They had a lot of hard time. लेकिन करते 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 वहाँ वो पहुंच गए.
And probably that goes for a director as well.
Yes, it does. A director has to be in charge of a whole पूरी टीम को देखना पड़ता है. Because actors can also be very selfish. ये मेरा पार्ट है, मैंने ये करना है, और वो अपनी बात करते हैं. डायरेक्टर जो होता है उसने सबको देखना है कि आपका भी इतना होना चाहिए, आपका भी इतना होना चाहिए. Because वो सारी responsibility at the end of the day, it comes to the director.
True. So let's talk about now UPA, United Producer Association, जिसके आप एक working committee में भी आप हैं. Tell us about that and what are its objectives and why is this association just for producers and not for actors also?
The United Producers Association.
जी.
It's a good name.
It gives you that that kind
The
of
United. United Producers Association is a trade organization. यहाँ पे हमें ज़्यादा trade organizations चाहिए. We want them for producers, we want them for directors, we want them for actors.
Yeah.
At the
But
moment,
it started with producers.
It has started with the producers, और ये एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. ये कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि हम जाके चैनल से लड़ने वाले हैं. ये एक ऐसी चीज है कि we can help ourselves,
Protect
help each other,
the producers will be protected under this.
and also the channels would also like to be able to speak to someone
Yeah.
from a producers association कि भाई हमें ये चाहिए, हमें वो चाहिए.
But where does an actor come in? Because if the producer is protecting himself, तो actor को तो फिर producer दबा रहे हैं ना उस तरह से भी, क्योंकि वो पहले तो अपनी protection चाह रहे हैं. I feel कि पहले actors का कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए.
I think producers may be a stronger lot, so they started with the producers first. इसके अंदर एक actors की भी होगी, इसके अंदर एक writers की भी
होगी
होगी.
तो जब होगी ना.
हाँ, जब होगी तो होगी, लेकिन at least it's a step in the right direction now.
अच्छा.
पहले तो कोई trade organization इसमें थी नहीं. अब एक हो गई है.
अच्छा.
अब hopefully seeing this, there will be other trade organizations that will protect themselves
अच्छा.
and hopefully do the right things.
Let's hope so.
Hopefully.
Let's hope
Let's
for the
hope so.
best. And we have to go another short break. We'll be right back.
We have to go on another break.
Yes. Don't go anywhere.